Every access decision starts with a question that sounds simple. What is this device, and how much should it be allowed to do? An inventory answers the first half. It lists the asset, its identity, and its current state. It does not answer the second. In most environments, access is all or nothing. The device is on the network, or it is not. Zero Trust asks for something more measured. Access should reflect the condition the device is actually in. This is the Zero Trust control plane. A policy here is not a single rule. It is a set of graduated states. Each state is tied to a risk score, and that score comes from the device itself. Green is the healthy condition, a high score, full peripheral access, and an open network path. Amber is caution, the same device, a lower score, and a narrower set of permissions. Nothing about the user has changed, only the evidence has. Red is warning. Storage is blocked and the network is reduced to an isolated path. Black is critical. The device stays visible for investigation and does very little else. Underneath the modes sit the controls that make them real, applications that are not permitted to run. Hardware ports, storage, Bluetooth, camera, microphone, and printing, each allowed or denied per state. And folders, a protected path on the endpoint with its own access level in every mode. A policy only matters once it is bound to something. Here it is attached to a role. The role is assigned to a user, and the user is assigned to a device. That chain is the part worth noticing. Policy, role, user, device. Every enforcement decision can be traced back along it. The agent on the host receives the policy and reports its own state every few seconds. The device is now in amber, a score of 80 and the restrictions that belong to that level. Which means the policy is no longer configuration, it is behavior on the machine. Watch the endpoint. The protected folder is still visible and it does not open. Windows reports a permission the operator cannot override because the block is applied beneath the user session. Nobody did anything wrong here. The device simply did not meet the condition required for that level of access. Conditions change, so policy has to change with them. The access level is raised and saved centrally. Enforcement follows the new state at the host. Nothing is touched by hand on the endpoint. Every one of those decisions is written down. Application blocked, path denied, port refused. That record is what turns enforcement into evidence, for an auditor as much as for an analyst. The agent view closes the loop: what it enforces, what it observed, and when it last checked in. Trust here is not a switch. It is a level, and the level is continuously recalculated. Which is the whole point. Access should follow the condition of the device, not the memory of a decision made once. That is continuous trust, enforced where the work actually happens.